I love that you guys are down.
That's my
Yeah, that motherfucker is like, y'all ever been on here before?
Negative.
No, I've never had it either.
That's great. That's
You know how you're going? 430 feet.
That's great.
Coming down 75 miles per hour.
Why doesn't this have like the little clicky twist? Like the seatbelt?
Seatbelt?
Yeah.
All right, you know who Penny Rods is? Yeah. I work at Hunt House Casino, so if you see my red balloon up there to be confetti, real pretty, you pop it, you'll drop. Woo! Well done, people. Keep you up there as long as you want for 90 seconds.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, make it go faster than 75.
Oh, there's more people in here, it'll go come down at 80.
Come down, talking like this, but you'll be fine. That's 30 minutes, you'll be fine.
Oh,
Hey, you check your seatbelt on the left side. Seatbelt.
nope.
Seatbelt.
Yeah.
Did you check it?
Yeah, the thing is under. The light was on.
You guys are sure you checked it?
Yeah, the light was on.
Orange County deputies confirmed a 14-year-old boy had fallen from the free fall tower attraction and died from his injuries. It is a 430-foot tower. It sends 30 passengers into a 75-mile-per-hour drop. Witnesses said the boy's parents could be seen panicking as they watched all of this happen. The ride's operators say they are cooperating with this investigation.
At this point, the ride will be closed, and we will open when there's an appropriate time after the investigation is completed and there is additional information to share.
We just spoke with a spokesperson from the Slingshot Group who helps operate the rides. He told us there are no words for the family of the 14-year-old boy who fell from the free fall ride. He said they believe the boy was strapped in as protocol requires. The sheriff's office confirmed the boy was taken to the hospital. We're told he went to Arnold Palmer and did not survive.